Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll show you how to create a social media dashboard. Our ready-to-use dashboard framework enables you to create various dashboards in a short time. Don't forget, this Excel dashboard template is free. You can download from our website. Okay, here we go. Just a few words about the dashboard. Let's examine the workbook structure. As first, you can add your data to the datasheet. We've created sections for the key performance indicators. Now we'll apply a nested if formula. Using this formula, we can identify and display the variance between the selected month and the previous month. Okay, let's see the dashboard sheet. We've used a grid layout in Excel for a better readability. Now we have to talk about the key element of our dashboard. We have created widgets for each KPI. Let us see the data behind the widget. First, add a data label for the widget. After that, link the data from the datasheet to the dashboard sheet. Create a simple line chart. Select the source range on the datasheet. We'll get and display an annual trend line. If you need a monthly breakdown for your dashboard, the best choice is to create a drop-down list. Finally, link the variance from the calculation sheet. Repeat these steps for every widget. Apply conditional formatting. Create new rules for the current selection. So we can display the positive values green and the negative values red. Okay, back to the dashboard sheet. Choose an impressive chart type to display your most important metrics. For the main KPI, create a custom chart manually or use Ultimate Dashboard tools for data visualization purposes. So we've created a simple and clean user interface for you. If you want to learn all about Excel, visit our website and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.